I've got some exclusive beauty. So if you want to see this new subscription with me, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are eating dinner. Well, Chloe's eating dinner, Bandit's begging for dinner, and I'm on my own today. So I have something that's new to this channel. I don't know how new this is. I don't feel like I've seen other channels open this, so I thought I'd check it out. I was going to use it for the Easter Golden Box Hunt, but I'd already chosen something, and it's something that Chloe would like, so I thought it was something we could do together. And I'm going to open this for you guys. Now, this is the February box. The March box, I'm filming this on the 30th of March, and I just got something saying that the March box was on its way. So that to me was a little like, really? So we'll see how long we keep this. I did get this for $39, give or take, $38.90 or something like that, because I had a discount code, and I think I got a few free sample extras. So there is a little enjoy 20% off of your next purchase, and like a little scan code, I guess, for some of the items in here. So what they said is they're going to send you a skincare ritual. So each month it will be a new ritual. So let's see. Yes, I have one, two, three, four, five things that were like extra for free with the first order. So those are all sample sizes. So we have the IGK Good Behavior Ultra Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner, and these are foil packets, but they were free. Do you hear me, Birchbox? Free. The little beef I have with Birchbox sending us foil packets. Then by Lumiere Paris, no, Lumiere Firm is the illuminating, and oh, this is by Neocuts. It's the Lumiere Firm Illuminating and Tightening Eye Cream. So this is just a little sample, but again, it was free. This is 4 milliliters, or 0.14 fluid ounces. Then I have 2 of these Elta MD Skin Recovery Night Masks. So I have 2 of these, and these were 0.33 fluid ounces, or 10 milliliters, so a little bit bigger. And then this, which I don't think this is a sample actually. I think this was a free gift with purchase. This is the Skin Medica Correct and Even Advanced Brightening Treatment. Oh, I think this is for teeth. No, it's not. I think it was for teeth. I guess when you hear advanced brightening treatment, you automatically think teeth. So this is going to correct the appearance of uneven tone, hyperpigmentation, and dark spots, and prevent the appearance of future discoloration. It is hydroquinone free and retinol free. This is for your face, neck, and chest area. You want to use a sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. And it has phytic acid, niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate. So it's got some good ingredients. Ingredients, I don't know what they are, but those are some of the ones I do. This is 0.3 fluid ounces, or 8.8 milliliters. And this certainly looks like it looks like it's full size, but I'm going to guess since it's for everywhere that it is a sample size, but it's a nice size sample. All right, and next we have our bag, which is our skincare ritual. Take my glasses off to see and then put them on to read. All right, so I have 5 full-size items and 4 samples. So let's go over the samples first. We have the Skin Medica Instant Bright Eye Cream. We have 2 of those. All right, and these are just little tiny guys. And 2 more of the Neo Cut, but this is the Bio Serum. So this is a rejuvenating growth factor and peptide treatment, and it has 0.14 ounces or 4 milliliters. All right, so that's these. And the Skin Medica Insta Bright Eye Cream has 0.07 ounces, 2 grams. And we have 2 of those. First, we have the hyaluronic acid microneedle eye patches from PCA Skin. So this is a set of 2, and here is how they go on. And you're going to leave them on for oh, you wear them overnight. Okay, you're going to leave these on overnight. They do have little micro needles. I have tried these before and I really like them. So excited to get some more because I believe they're pretty expensive. Next, we have a brand that I know is pricey, and that is Replenix. This is their Sensitive Line Soothing Antioxidant Mist. This has medical grade ingredients, witch hazel, chamomile extract, and green tea. So this is great to like bring to work, and then when you need just a little like spray, you know, it just helps kind of hydrate you. We have the Zerafit Soothing and Calming Moisturizer, formulated for dry and sensitive skin types. It has argan oil, ceramides, grapeseed oil, and glycerin. And oh, the Replenix is 2.7 ounces or 80 milliliters. And this is 2.2 fluid ounces. So here is how this looks, a nice full size. Next, by Molar Sciences, we have their Solar Stick. This is a broad spectrum SPF 40 water resistant mineral sunscreen with an SPF of 40. And this time of year, you really want to start using a little bit of a higher sunscreen than you might have used during the winter. And here's how it looks. I like that it's a stick. I feel like it's a little bit of a white sheen, but I bet you can just rub that in. But I feel like it's just sometimes easier to have something like this to just kind of keep rubbing on. And then by Elta MD Skincare, which I know my dermatologist recommends, is the Oil and Gel Cleanser. It preserves the skin barrier. It has pumpkin enzyme, meadowform seed oil, and vitamin E. And this is, you know, again, a highly recommended dermatologist brand. All right, there we go. So yeah, I think this is pretty good. And for the $38, I'm getting 5 full-size items. Not bad considering, like, I know Elta MD is expensive, and I will have looked up the prices and had them for you. I know Replenix is expensive. I think Molar Sciences is on the pricier side. Oh, I didn't tell you that this is 0.6 ounces or 17 grams. It's dermatologist developed with vitamin C and E. And this, I've not heard of this brand, but it could be quite popular. I just have never, I haven't gotten it in any subscription boxes before. So excited. And then this I have tried before and I really enjoyed. So, and then you got all these like little freebies too. I think that's just with the first order because they didn't give me that opportunity with the next one, but they might throw in like little samples with every order too. I don't know. Has a nice little drawstring bag. And yeah, I would say this is along the lines of Beauty Fix by Derm Store, because a lot of these are dermatologist recommended type brands from what I could see, and all full size though. Again, there were some little samples thrown in there, but I believe what you're really getting are those full size, and that's where the big, you know, bang for your buck is going to be. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. Do you think this is good? Should we keep it up? Again, I do have the March one coming in any day now. I wanted to get them together and kind of show you them together, but I really wanted to get into this to see if it's something I even want to continue before I get too many months in. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.